Hi everybody, welcome to week 8, module 8, the last week of the session, the last introduction to content from Leaders 500. And so this week we focus on the overall definition of servant leadership, serving others before self. So we're going to ask you to read an article and think about your own response. So the article follows this page. As you learn the key characteristics of servant leadership, which ones do you practice effectively and which ones do you need to develop? And actually all of the characteristics of principled leaders that you have been reading about and writing about throughout the entire 8-week session are components of servant leadership. So this is kind of the summary. There is a Greenleaf Foundation website if you're interested in doing more research or work or looking for citations on servant leadership. You can find that there. So the next page is the article or the reading, and then an assessment, self-assessment about servant leadership, which leads you to your final assignment, if you've kept up so far, is to do a personal assessment. So first of all, do the tool, assess yourself on the tool, and then write about your own aspirations for principled leadership. And so this is the last assignment for the class. I do want to remind you that you need to complete the Protection of Minors training and upload that certificate. I've been told you have to do a screenshot, that it won't actually download for you. So that's a requirement for being a student at the Citadel at any level, and is also a requirement for this class. So until you complete that, you will not pass. You'll get an incomplete. So you can see in the grade book right now what your final grade is. So C and above is passing. And so you want to be sure you complete all the assignments by, I would say, 3/7. Okay. So the grades are due on the 9th. I am out of town at a conference on the 8th. So I'm going to try to finish everything and post it by 3/8. If you have something last minute that you're trying to finish, let me know so that I can go back in and check the morning of the 9th to be sure that I capture all of your work. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a good week. Wrapping up.